Here is our list of the top 5 best smart locks you can get right now. The DESLOC B200 is a smart lock with AI-powered fingerprint recognition and multiple unlocking methods, including PIN codes, physical keys, mobile app control, voice assistance, and NFC. It offers fast fingerprint scanning, storing up to 50 IDs, and supports up to 150 PIN codes. Smart home integration with Alexa and Google Assistant is available via the G2 Gateway Hub. Features include auto lock, privacy mode, real-time notifications, and Bluetooth proximity control. Powered by 4 AA batteries lasting up to 12 months, it also has a USB-C emergency port. Its DIY-friendly installation and IP54 rating make it a secure, convenient choice. The Philips Smart Lock 4000 combines security and convenience with multiple unlocking methods, including fingerprint recognition, PIN codes, mobile app control, physical keys, and voice assistance. It features Bluetooth connectivity, auto lock with door position sensors, and encrypted communication for enhanced security. The Philips Home Access app enables remote management, real-time notifications, access logs, and temporary PIN generation. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it has a sleek modern design and DIY-friendly installation. With fast fingerprint recognition and smart automation, it offers homeowners a reliable and user-friendly upgrade to their home security system. The Kwikset Halo Touch screen is a keyless entry deadbolt that connects directly to your home Wi-Fi without a hub. It offers remote control via the Kwikset app, allowing users to lock and unlock, manage up to 250 user codes, and receive real-time notifications. Smart Key Security protects against break-in techniques, while Secure Screen prevents fingerprint detection. It integrates with Alexa and Google Home for voice control and features auto lock, intrusion detection, and one-touch locking. Easy to install with a durable design, it provides a secure, convenient, and smart solution for homeowners seeking keyless access and remote management. The Schlage Encode Plus offers secure keyless access with built-in Wi-Fi, eliminating the need for a hub. It integrates with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant, supporting Apple Home keys for tap-to-unlock functionality. Users can manage up to 100 access codes, receive notifications, and monitor lock history via the Schlage Home app. Security features include ANSI and BHMA Grade 1 certification, built-in alarms, and a fingerprint-resistant touchscreen. The auto lock function provides added convenience, and installation is simple. With advanced security and smart connectivity, it's a top choice for homeowners seeking reliable and modern home access control. The Yale Assure Lock 2 is a sleek keyless smart lock with multiple access options, including a keypad, app control, voice commands, and auto unlock. It supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, integrating with Alexa, Google Home, Apple Home, and SmartThings. Users can create up to 250 access codes and monitor activity remotely via the Yale Access app. Security features include BHMA Grade 2 certification, two-factor authentication, and fingerprint-resistant touchscreens. The lock offers auto lock functionality, a door sense module for door status detection, and easy installation. It provides a stylish, secure, and convenient smart home access solution.